Hey everyone, my name is Kenny Coverstone. Welcome to Lightroom Editing Pro. I'll be your mentor through this course. Now, before I start showing you how to edit and organize your photos, in this video I wanted to give you an overview so you can see everything the course covers and how it all ties together. This course is organized into 4 chronological sections, starting with importing your raw images to delivering those images to your clients. First, we'll talk about Lightroom, the difference between Lightroom Classic and Lightroom CC, how Lightroom works, and settings to change to have Lightroom run faster. In the second section, I will take you through importing your images, culling those images, catalogs, metadata, keywords, using quick collection, and organizing your photos in the most efficient way possible. In the third section is the develop module. Here I will take you through the basic sliders, white balancing, how to use your tone curve, sharpening, split toning, transforming, calibration, the clone tool, radial filters, graduated filters, and the brush tool, as well as using presets, organizing presets, and creating your own presets to use. In the last section, I will take you through my exact workflow from import to export, cropping photos effectively, getting perfect skin tones, speeding up your workflow, and exporting your images for different uses. I know this seems like a lot of info, and it won't be as easy as buying a preset and slapping it on your photos and hoping it looks good. But I promise, if you follow this course, I can help you speed up your workflow while improving your editing game. Feel free to email me any questions to kenny@portraitphotographypro.com. I can't wait to see your amazing work.